Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cabbage palya using an easy method. First, let's get our ingredients ready. You'll need 1 medium cabbage, 1 onion, and 2 green chilies. Make sure to chop the cabbage finely, aiming for small, even pieces. Then, thinly slice your onion and green chilies. This preparation ensures everything cooks evenly and quickly, setting us up for a delicious dish in no time. Let's move on to the cooking process. Now, let's start cooking. Heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of urad dal. Let them splutter and turn golden brown, which adds a wonderful aroma. Next, add your sliced onion and green chilies to the pan. Sauté these until they become soft and translucent, but don't let them brown too much. This step builds the flavor foundation for our palya. It's time to add the star ingredient. Carefully add all the finely chopped cabbage to the pan with the sautéed aromatics. Give it a good stir to combine everything evenly. Cover the pan and let the cabbage cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, allowing it to soften. Remember to stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Finally, season with 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt to your taste. This brings out the vibrant color and delicious flavor. Almost done. To finish, garnish your delicious cabbage palya with 2 tablespoons of fresh grated coconut. This adds a lovely texture and a hint of sweetness that complements the dish perfectly. Give it one final gentle stir. Your easy cabbage palya is now ready to be served hot with roti, chapati, or steamed rice. It's a simple yet flavorful side dish. Also, check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.